I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. I visited the sales floor, the parts department, and the service department. Overall, the facility is a very nice, clean, and modern. A very cool and unique Ford emblem is built in the tile floor just in front of the help desk when you enter into the main building. The sales floor was very well organized and had a professional atmosphere. The service shop area and the tools were easily accessible. Auto service technicians had plenty of room and adequate lifts. All the employees we spoke to stated Stuteville is like a big family. The lube techs we did interviews with stated that everyone helps each other, and many of the older experienced techs are solidly engaged in the mentorship training program. The lube tech position is the entry-level position for the service department, and the lube techs we spoke to were very excited about the future training opportunities. Many areas of automotive repair are open for new technicians to grow their technical skills and build their experience. The Ford Stars training program is followed at this dealership, and this will increase entry-level training, certification, and credential levels. With the current growth and future growth opportunities, this dealership is poised to be a great place for a developing career in Ford automotive service repair. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville Ford in Ponca City, just contact me.